Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review of the Oneplus Nord 3, the latest mid-range smartphone from Oneplus. Design and build. The Oneplus Nord 3 features a sleek and stylish design with a 6.43-inch AMOLED display and a high refresh rate of 90 Hz. The back of the phone is made of Gorilla Glass 5 and comes in 3 different color options. The build quality is excellent, and the phone feels premium in the hand. Performance. Under the hood, the Oneplus Nord 3 is powered by the Snapdragon 778G chipset, which is a significant upgrade from its predecessor. The phone comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which is more than enough for everyday use. The performance of the phone is smooth and snappy, and you won't face any lag or stutter while using it. Camera. The Oneplus Nord 3 features a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. The camera performance is excellent, and the photos come out looking sharp and vibrant. The low-light performance is also impressive, and the phone is capable of capturing good-looking photos even in challenging lighting conditions. Battery and charging. The Oneplus Nord 3 comes with a 4,500 mAh battery, which is capable of lasting a full day of use. The phone also supports fast charging and can be charged from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the Oneplus Nord 3 is a fantastic mid-range smartphone that offers excellent performance, a premium design, and a solid camera experience. If you're in the market for a new phone, I highly recommend considering the Oneplus Nord 3. Outro. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.